In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys two methods, two key ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing, even as a beginner, guys. If you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, this video is meant for you because you will learn everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing. And the two main methods I will be going over. You don't have to post any ads, guys. It's an ad-free method, completely free money that you can make up to $100 a day with affiliate marketing. You just have to pick the right product, and I'll even show you how to find your products and where to get them from and how to get this whole business model set up so that you can make, you know, $50 to even $500 a day with affiliate marketing. Yes, guys, you can make up to $500 a day, and if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I will be going over the most important thing you need to know at the end. So make sure you don't skip anything because you want to know all of these key important steps, tips, and tricks. So let's get into it. Stay tuned for more right after the intro. Woo! So the first method that I want to discuss with you guys today is by using TikTok, guys. Now you can use TikTok or you can either use Pinterest. But before we get into these methods, please make sure you guys check the links in the description, guys. Check the Patreon, check the YouTube memberships, guys. We do have the same content that's on the Patreon and the YouTube memberships available on the YouTube memberships now for a cheaper price. So check out the YouTube memberships, guys, and get all of the courses that you need to start making this money the easy way, because this is Black Investors Group, and over here we make money the easy way, we make money the fast way, and I will teach you a lot of different ways daily, because we do post daily on how to make this money. So check out the links in the description, subscribe to the Patreon, subscribe to the YouTube memberships, and also if you do want to schedule a coaching call with me, I do provide coaching calls in the Calendly/KINGLATTA link in the description, and you can schedule a 10 to 30 minute, even 45-minute phone call, and in that 45-minute phone call I will give you a full course layout for only $10, guys. So check out the links in the description. Back to the video. Woo! So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is simply a link, guys. Yes, you can make $100 a day off of one single link. Now mind you, it's not just going to be one link and boom, $100, but also there is some ways that you can make $100 to even $200 from off of one link click, from off of one customer buying that product that's on that link. So what you would want to do is you would want to go to ClickBank, guys, which is the website that we're going to use today. I'm going to show you in a few minutes, but we're going to go to ClickBank and we're going to create us an account. And once we create an account, guys, you want to go to the affiliate marketplace and find all of these links. So once you find your link, once you find the niche that you want to promote, that you want to get people to buy, guys. So let's just say right now I'm in an education niche. I am teaching you how to make the money the easiest way possible. Don't forget to subscribe to Black Investors Group. But as I said, man, I'm in an educational niche. So what I would do is I would promote educational products, you know, things for businesses, things to help out small businesses. So let's just say email writer, okay? So I would promote an email writer so that people can reach out to more customers via email. So by me promoting this option, what I can do, since I am on the YouTube platform, I can just put in my link in the description, put the link there, and now a bunch of small business owners just like yourself can get an email mailing list software, guys, for a very cheap price. And when you do get this software, that's when you get paid, or that's when I would get paid. You know, I would get $10 per buy, or they even have some things paying up to $100 on the ClickBank marketplace for just one buy, guys. So say you have, you know, a software that costs $100, you know, you get $100 per sale on the affiliate side, and then they have an extra additional monthly membership fee. So say that whatever that product was, let's just say, let's go to the medicine section now, because medicine is more, you know, reoccurring. Say they have to have a reoccurring fee. Now I can get paid $5 to even $10 a month from that one single customer. So let's just say we have 5 customers paying me $10 a month. That's $50 a month in completely passive income. And mind you, all the money that I just made off of them, you know, probably $50 for them signing up for that service. So that's essentially how affiliate marketing works. So now let me go to the laptop and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get into this, how you can use TikTok and Pinterest to start making money today with affiliate marketing. So let's hop right into ClickBank. Woo! as you can see, we have the home page, we have affiliates, which is what we are. This is where we're trying to go. And if you are selling something, if you do have a digital product, you can even come here to the sales tab, guys, and you can get all of these e-commerce brands. You can get all of this stuff and even post your products on ClickBank so that other affiliates, other people, thousands of people can promote your product as well. And if you want to do that, you know, just make it a good price for them to get paid per, you know, click or per purchase, guys. So that is something that you might want to look into. It's actually more money in sellers than affiliate because people are working for you to get your product sold. But anyways, you know what I'm saying, you can learn pretty much how to do all of this on the website, guys. Affiliate training, ClickBank's top offers. Let's see what they actually have on this tab right here on the ClickBank's top offers. As you can see, we got June, and we have a list of products. We got supplements, weight loss, survival, sports, self-help. Now I know self-help is actually a good one, guys. 10 best products for self-help, and then boom, we have it right here. So miracle money magnets right here, and then you can come right here. So this is the home page, guys. This is what you will see before you even make your account. As you can see, log in, or you can start here. But what you would want to do, you can obviously see that, you know, this is the very vast affiliate marketplace. A lot of people use this website. Actually, it's actually one of the main ones, the #1 affiliate website to use. But what you would want to do is you would go to start here, and obviously once that loads up, you would answer these questions. Let's just go to other right now, and you just answer these questions, guys, and you know, just come on here, answer these questions. You're trying to make over 150K. Let's just say I'm trying to go into crypto, because if you don't know, we are doing more videos on crypto, binary options, and Forex. All you gotta do is look at the videos in my channel, man, and I will be teaching you how to make that crypto the easiest way possible. I even have passive income streams of crypto. All you gotta do is check out the videos at the very beginning of my channel to learn how to make money passively in cryptocurrency. But anyways, you would just keep answering these questions, guys. I spent over $2,000 a day. No sirski. I have over 10,000. We're gonna go United States because that's where we're from, and simple as that, guys. You would just answer all those questions. But as soon as we get logged in, this is what you will see. You will see the dashboard right here. You will see the dashboard. You will see all your data, and what you want to go to is where you see affiliate marketplace. Now you do have all of these tools and stuff right here. You can learn. It'll take you to a new tab. You can learn, but now you have to make a whole new account, go over some classes. Who has time to do that when you got KINGLATTA right here on Black Investors Group, teaching you the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing, with ClickBank, with Pinterest, and with TikTok, guys. The most two popular social medias out there, especially TikTok. So much free ads. So let's get right into it. Let me stop doing all this talking. Let's go right to the affiliate marketplace. Let me delete all these extra tabs up here, even though you can't see it, but we're gonna delete those tabs. We're on the affiliate marketplace, and let's just go to top offers, because if it's the top offers, that means we're gonna get the top money. And as you can see, we got Appeline, and we are getting paid $136 per conversion, guys. So you are getting paid $136 per conversion. And like I said, guys, you do have a reoccurring bill here as well for 4 cents a month. So you can make 4 cents off of somebody. But like something down here, this is a good one. As you can see, $5, $4.77 a month for the reoccurring bill. Now this is what you want to see, because you can make that passive income. You get 10 customers, guys, 10 people to buy this link, 10 people to buy the product in this link. Now you can be making $50 a month completely passively. And just imagine you get 20 people, 30 people, 50 people off of just one ad, one TikTok post, guys. It's totally possible. You can post one TikTok post, that thing could go viral, get 100,000 views, even 1 million views. And just all we need, guys, is 0.2% of 1 million views to get our money to make a living, guys. So we get 0.2% of 1 million views, guys. That's money in our pocket. So you know what I mean. So $4.77 a month. We got 20 people that just brought this link. you know, and we just made 20 times $150. Let me just do that real quick, guys. I'm not that good at head math, but let's get the exact number. 20 times 148 equals $2,960 that you just made off of this sale from, you know, 20 people buying this link. And like I said, you post this on TikTok, Pinterest. One TikTok post can easily get you 50 link clicks, guys. You can get paid from link clicks. You can get paid from link clicks, sorry guys. And also you're getting paid for conversion. So average conversion 148. So we're just gonna go ahead and promote this. What you want to do is you want to type in your account username, and this is the tracking ID is optional. My fault, I can't talk today, guys, but don't worry, because this video is not getting edited, man. When we're on a laptop, we don't really edit the videos unless we messing up like this. And I know you're tired of hearing me talking, but boom, tracking ID is optional. So we're just gonna leave that blank, and we're gonna go ahead and create hop link, guys. So once you have that hop link, you just want to go ahead and copy. Boom, we're copied, and you want to, you know, save it in a nice place. Probably take it to your notes or something. What I normally do is I take it to my notes. Yes, guys, these are all the links that you can see in my description right here. Go ahead, check out the links in the description, but I would put this in my notes, and I'll just put it, you know, right here or something like that. Boom, right here, and just save it for later. So now we will go back to ClickBank and find some more links, guys. And as you can see, all the categories are right here. So whatever niche you are in, there are links for you to promote, guys. No matter what you're doing, if you are in art, and let's say you have 5,000 Instagram followers or 5,000, 10,000 TikTok followers, and you are an artist, all you have to do is find an art link on this affiliate profile and post it along with your artistry, along with your work, guys. Just post it in a link in the description, post it in the comment, and boom, people are going to click that link. It's simple as that, guys. And so, you know, betting systems, you know, probably sports bet bots or whatever, but it's all rigged, so it doesn't matter. Languages, home and garden, health and fitness. There is a lot of health and fitness because this is America, guys, the most obese country in the land. But health and fitness, as you can see, we got a lot of high paying average conversions on this health and fitness, guys. And when you see this right here, contact seller to request CPA payouts, I don't, you know, normally go with these just because it's more work, because now you have to contact the seller when you can just keep scrolling down and get an easy link for, you know, even though it's, what was that, 124, 125, but boom, right here we got 140, and we're getting, you know, more money. So why would you want to do more work for less money? So when I see that, contact seller and all that, man, I just skip it, go to the next one, easily get the link, copy and paste the link. And now let me show you how to get this on Pinterest, guys, how to get this on TikTok. But let's go over Pinterest first. So we're gonna go ahead and type in Pinterest. So guys, to get this started up, you would go ahead and go to Pinterest, guys, create you in a business account, because on your business account you can be allowed to post ads. Now with this method, you don't have to post ads, but it will work out much better if you post some ads to reach more people, guys, because, you know, we want to reach more people, because even if we reach 20,000 people, maybe only 20 people might actually buy this product on Pinterest. But TikTok is a different story. We can reach 20,000 people, and maybe 100 people might buy the product. So we're over here on Pinterest. We are on our business account, and as you can see, we're on the home feed right here, and these are all the weight loss supplements, because this is my recent search, so this is what's popping up. And then you can go to the business hub, and on the business hub, guys, you will see, you know, all the things that you need to see for your business, you know what I'm saying? So you can see all your performances, and this is what I mean, guys. If you don't post ads, this is the type of impressions you're going to be getting. And I'm just being straightforward with you guys, being totally blunt, because I do use the TikTok method more, but this is the type of impressions you're going to be getting. As you can see, these are my impressions right here, monthly views of 14. So probably we can get some link clicks, maybe, you know, 10 link clicks out of this 14 views, but, you know, we're probably only going to get 2 sales out of this 14 views as well. So what you want to do is you just want to simply go over here to create create pin. And what you want to do is you want to drag and drop a photo. So let's just see if we have some random photos in here that we can upload. But so we're gonna drag and drop this, guys, and boom, we have a photo of some shrimp, you know, just random, something random, some photo of some shrimp, some sweet and spicy shrimp at that. And then you know, you want to be like weight loss or whatever, you know, just say what your thing is about. Best supplement, you know what I mean, best supplement. So best supplement, add alt text, and then boom, right here is the bread and butter, guys, for this shrimp. Right here is the main course. You want to paste your link. So you want to go back to your notes and you want to simply get that link that we did paste, and as you can see, it is right here. Actually, it's this small one right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and paste that, copy, boom, and we're gonna go ahead and take it back to the website and add the destination link and just paste it right here, guys, and boom, you're pretty much done after that, guys. Now you can promote this and you can put it in a different category, a different section, different pins is what Pinterest calls it, and you get publish it. So boom, we would publish that just like that, and now you have a posted ad on Pinterest, because a lot of people use Pinterest every single day. A lot of people are always searching through Pinterest. These posts are getting, let me see if we could see the amount of views each one gets. No, you can't, but you know, Pinterest is one of the most main search bars, because unlike Instagram and unlike TikTok, Pinterest is an actual search engine. So now, instead of people just typing in on Google how to lose weight, Pinterest is gonna pop up when they type in how to lose weight, because Pinterest is a search engine. So when they type in, you know, Exapure pills, such as this here, Exapure pills, you know, a Pinterest link might pop up, and if you have an ad, guys, your ad is going to be more likely to pop up depending on how much you pay. So now we're going to go to the TikTok method, and we're actually going to hop into our phone, because you can do this from your phone as well. But we're gonna go ahead and see how to do this TikTok ads, this TikTok method, without paying for the ads, guys. Okay, we're doing free advertisement without paying for it on TikTok. Let's get right into it. Woo. Before I go into this next method, guys, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I am giving you this free knowledge, this free game for you to make the easiest money the easiest way possible. So go ahead and hit that like button so we can get pushed out in the YouTube algo, and you can even help out other people make a lot of money by simply just liking the video. Back to the video. Woo. So guys, we are on TikTok, and as you can see, this is just my personal profile. You can see the amount of views we got, you know what I'm saying, 686,000 is my best one, and I've just been playing around on this thing since like high school. Haven't really been taking it serious. Now they have recently deleted my business account. I don't know why, but my business account is deleted, so we are gonna have to make a new one. But simply for this method, guys, you just would want to go down here, act like you know you want to post a ad or post an advertisement, post your product, whatever clickbank product you are promoting, and simply put the link in the caption, guys. Simple as that. Put the link in the caption, and you would do this 3 times a day. Okay, so you would do this at breakfast, lunch, and dinner, posting the same product, you know, promoting different products. More traction can get returned to your page, and more people will see your post, because you know, the more you post, the more people you're gonna reach out to, the more you're gonna be in the TikTok algorithm. And if you are posting good content, guys, you can even take this to the next level. Buy the content that you're selling, buy the course that you're selling, either buy the product that you're selling, whatever you're selling, whatever you're advertising, buy it and do it face to face. You can be the advertiser. You don't need a picture or a video from somebody else. You can buy it. You can tell people how awesome it is, how much it helped you, and now you are your own advertisement, and you will even get better views, better traction off of TikTok, because it's natural. It's more natural. It's not botitized. It's not a robot. It's just you being real, and you know, some people can trust you just because you're being real, and just because they see that you're a real person. So this is the TikTok method, guys. You would just simply post 3 times a day on whatever you're trying to promote, add it in the caption, guys, and make sure you have that link also in your biography on your TikTok profile, so that when people go to your page, they can just easily copy and paste that link right at the top of your page and no questions asked. As simple as that. You can make $100 a day with TikTok. You can make $100 a day on affiliate marketing with ClickBank, guys. And don't forget to go ahead and check out those links in the description so you can learn more on how to make this money the easy way. And I do provide coaching calls, so you can reach out to me for a 10-30 minute conversation in whatever niche you need. I will provide it, and you can even schedule a 45-minute call for a full course layout, and I will send you a bunch of details and a whole packet, guys. So be on the lookout for that. Check out those links, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because this is Black Investors Group, where we post daily. I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video, and this is just part 1 of this video. So if you do want to know more in detail how to get these ads started up and more ways to post and get customers to buy your link, subscribe to the channel, and I will post a video on that soon. Comment on this video if you want to see that video. But this is Black Investors Group. I'm KINGLATTA. We out. Woo!